Welcome to another exciting episode of our stock analysis series. In today's video, we're diving deep into Camber Energy Incorporated, CEI, and its share price. Let's get started. Sigma Investing Hub. As of latest market close, stock is trading at 34 cents per share. Camber Energy Incorporated has been making headlines recently, and many of you have asked for an analysis. Today, we'll explore its share price, recent performance, and potential future outlook. To begin, let's conduct a technical analysis of CEI's share price. Over the past year, CEI has experienced significant price movements. Let's examine the key technical indicators to gain insights into its trajectory. Chart patterns can provide valuable insights. Recently, CEI's stock formed a bullish flag pattern, indicating a potential upward continuation. However, always remember to confirm patterns with other indicators. Identifying resistance and support levels is crucial. CEI's current resistance is at $X, while the support level is at $Y. These levels can be useful for setting entry and exit points. Moving averages offer additional guidance. The 50-day and 200-day moving averages reflect short-term and long-term trends. A golden cross, where the 50-day crosses above the 200-day, can be seen as a bullish signal. Now, let's discuss potential future targets for CEI. Analysts suggest that Camber Energy has growth potential. Based on current trends and market sentiment, the short-term target is estimated at $Z, while the long-term target could reach $W. Remember, these are projections and not guarantees. Managing risk is crucial in trading. Given CEI's volatility, consider setting a stop-loss order at 5% below your entry point. This strategy can help protect your investment from the significant losses if the stock takes an unexpected downturn. In conclusion, Camber Energy Incorporated, CEI, presents an intriguing opportunity for traders. While it has experienced recent price movements and chart patterns, always keep in mind that the stock market is dynamic and influenced by various factors. That wraps up our analysis of Camber Energy Incorporated, CEI, and its share price. Before making any trading decisions, conduct thorough research or consult with a financial advisor. Stay informed about the latest news and market trends. Thank you for joining us today, and happy trading.